Yup, so what's up guys, my name is Siddharth and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about these 5 insane apps that are not on the Play Store and are worth giving up a try, as they're absolutely free and would definitely elevate your Android using experience. But before we get started, I'll request you to give it a moment, hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like. And now that you have done that guys, let's get started. Now in today's time we all use Bluetooth, whether it's for earphones, watches or something. So a Bluetooth manager is a must have, and so this app called GreenTooth is just same. It automatically turns off your device's Bluetooth as soon as the last connected device gets disconnected. So a pretty small app to do a neat work, saves your phone's battery too. So make sure you guys check it out from the link given in the description. And now let's move on to the next app. Next app on the list is CineHub, and this one is my personal favorite. Trust me guys, I've been using this app for the past 6 months and have never faced any major issue. This app is your one-stop solution for all your streaming needs. It has content from major platforms like Disney, HBO, Netflix and Prime. You can stream through all the movies and TV shows for free in HD or Full HD resolution. And what's even sweeter guys, it is clean and intuitive UI with no intrusive ads at all. And also you can cast on your TV screen using Chromecast or directly download it over Fire TV. So all in all, a pretty great package available for free, no subscriptions needed at all. So make sure you guys check this out from the link given in the description. Using more and more free apps or third-party apps can result in serving more ads and annoying your user experience. So this app called Blockada is exactly same. It stops all the ads appear on your Android device, whether it be on apps or websites. And I've been personally using this app for quite some time now, and recently it has received a major update with which the experience got more richer. Now it has inbuilt VPN, support for all the websites and apps, and it basically blocks ads all over your Android device. So make sure you guys check this out from the link given in description, and I am sure that you guys would love, and all the ads on your Android device would disappear slowly. Next app that we have on the list is called Noise, and this app is used to make lo-fi beats, personalized lo-fi beats to be particular, and you can use them during you study or any creative work or meditation too. Pretty much for anything you can use lo-fi beats, and so this app can help you in making personalized lo-fi beats. It has got a plethora of options like mountain, rain or grass sounds, and I've been using this app to make lo-fi beats for myself and it has been serving pretty well. So make sure you guys check this app from the link given in the description. And now let's move on to the next app. Last app that we have on the list is called Coffee, and also known as Caffeine, which is widely popular in custom rooms. This is a pretty small app to do a pretty neat work. What this app lets you do is keep your device's screen awake without having to change the display timeout settings. So basically it adds as a toggle in the notification panel and reduces steps to make your screen awake for a longer while. So make sure you give this app a try from the link given in the description. And this completes our list for today. So guys, that's all for today's video. This was a short little video to tell you how cool third-party apps are, and they are available for free. So make sure you guys check these from the link given in the description, and also subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This was your host Siddharth, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.